guys, good afternoon. This is Faithful with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do for you 3 quick, easy, inexpensive Dollar Tree, all dollar items, home decor. They're going to be farmhouse rustic. So I'm excited to do that. I don't get to do that very often, so when I do, I am excited. So for this first one, what you're going to need is a Dollar Tree sign, one of the Dollar Tree signs. You will need some of the lavender. Now, this lavender came from Walmart, but it's still in that same category for $1 because it's 97 cents. So you will need that. You'll need the Dollar Tree rope. You'll need some of the Dollar Tree twine. You will need razor, scissors, your glue gun, and glue sticks. You'll also need a little bottle. Now, the Dollar Tree does sell the little spray bottle or travel pack. Walmart does as well. And take my glue, put it onto the bottle, take my twine, and I want them loose. The reason why I'm going to braid them. So I'm looking for a braided twine. Going to go ahead and opposite the other side, lay some more glue down. And put my twine down. So we will have it like that. Now I'm going to take my other set of twine and I'm going to lay some glue on the back side. Make sure my twine is half. Make a knot, and then you're going to take your twine all the way around. So now your bottle should look like this, and we're going to go ahead and create a bow. So go ahead, take your twine, and create a small bow. So once you have braided, I'm not quite sure how long it's going to be, but what I've braided so far, I don't want it to come unravel, so I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to stop it from coming undone. Okay, so now I've got my braids. I'm going to leave that to the side just for now. I want to go ahead and start to separate my board. Now you'll see where your board can also crack. If it cracks in the process, no worries. You don't have to panic. So take your razor, slide through. In the process of separating, it got broken off. But I decided not to worry about it because I'm going to show you how we can correct our situation. I want to go ahead where there are all these cracks. Go ahead and put a generous amount of glue. And if this is going to be a gift, and you did crack it, I would say go ahead and add E6000. So I want to line up where I want it to be. I just want to make sure that it has something stable to sit on. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and hot glue this onto my base first. Lay this down and begin to outline with my rope. So I'm going to go from one end to the other. Absolutely love that. How adorable. I think this will be a gift for a friend of mine in her salon. I think she would love that. All right, let's jump into our next project. It's going to be a wall decor. What you will need is one of the Dollar Tree signs, and this one says bless our nest. I think that's cute. And you will also need a Dollar Tree foam board. I went ahead and cut out 2 pieces of the square. It's up to you what your measurement wants, what you want your measurement to be. I just went ahead and estimated, and I think I'm happy with the size that I'm creating. You'll need your foam board, your sign, which this is the canvas. I don't see a size on this canvas, but I believe you can choose whatever you decide you want to work with. You will need some rope. You'll need your scissors and possibly a razor. Well, actually, you will need your razor to cut your foam board out. That's what I use to cut out my foam board. Now what I want to do is go ahead and add a generous amount of glue onto my foam board. You line up your foam board evenly. Then go ahead and press. Make sure it is even. Once your foam board is together, I'm going to go outside and spray paint, and then I'll be back. So I went with more of a hunter green, and that's how it turned out. What I want to do now is outline my foam with the rope. So I'm going to start adding my glue. Like I always say, make sure it's straight. Okay guys, so here we are. I went ahead and I spray painted the back as well. This is where I'm going to begin to add my canvas in the center. So guys, this is how it turned out. I love that. And now I want to go ahead and turn it around. Got my burlaps and cobwebs on it. Clean that up afterwards. And on the back side, where we remove from the original, I'm gonna go ahead and place that in the middle. And that's it. I believe that was the same way it came. I think it'll be perfectly fine. All right, guys, I hope that you do like that. You can hang it on your patio, you can hang it in your kitchen, you can put it wherever you have a farmhouse. Our next DIY is going to be quick, easy, and beautiful. So this is moss from the Dollar Tree. A little picture frame that I hauled from Walmart, and it was only 98 cents. Great buy. And 3 little eggs that I got a few years ago. I got them from Michael's, and I have 3 that I want to work with. In Hobby Lobby, they have these little burlap bows, and I think I want to incorporate that into this DIY. Now, this DIY is inspired by a DIY I did about 2 years ago. I loved it and decided I wanted to recreate another one. The one that I did 2 years ago is on my back patio, and I keep seeing it and was thinking I'd like to do a refresh of that. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and we will need spray paint. I think I want to spray paint this teal. That'll be a great color. So I'm gonna go outside, spray paint, and we want to add some lavender. Teal and purple goes really well together. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my paper that comes into your frame, and I want to go ahead and add that to the backing of the picture frame. I'm going to go ahead, flip that over, line that properly, smooth it out. Got the back inside. Now I want to go ahead and start adding my eggs. So I want to have my smallest egg featured. So this paint took forever to dry. I've got paint everywhere. So add a generous amount of glue to your egg. Determine where you want your top piece to be. Hold it in place. Going to do the same with the larger eggs as well. So now I want to add some glue in between the eggs so that they are touching each other. Want it to be very snug. Now I'm going to determine where I want my lavender to go. This is how it turned out. Totally adorable. I love the way that looked. I hope you do as well. I'm going to put all three together and let you get a good look at the three of them. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you did like these DIYs. Decide to become a subscriber if you're not already one. I truly appreciate your time and your support. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Truly appreciate it, and I will see you on my next DIY.